Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today I'm looking at Helm Audio's MQA Bolt DAC amp, and it's just simple as plugging it into your USB-C port, and they have a USB-A to USB-C adapter like that. So that's simple to use for plugging it in, and it's your mobile MQA certified USB-C digital analog converter. So you can convert your digital to analog if you want it. This is as simple as plugging this device in, and if you need to, you can use this adapter. Now it comes with this little charge pouch right here that you can take with you. It's a leatherette style, and here's some more details about the device. All these details will be in the description below, or you can pause it and read it right here. It's THX MQA, and it's from Helm Audio. You can get it. It's available now.